Hey, welcome back. I have improved the controller support by adding these gamepad symbols. They are part of a font, so they can easily appear anywhere in the game by using rich text. I created a system where you pass in an action such as jump. It then checks what device you are using, and then it returns the correct symbol by temporarily changing the font. The symbols are Unicode characters, so I've made a dictionary which maps the correct input path to the Unicode character. This font also has symbols for keyboard keys, like Tab, Control, and Shift. I mainly coded this system for the tutorial at the beginning because it really helps explain the controls. I can now say that looking around is the mouse or the right joystick without typing out the entire word. And even better, this font can be used with both the Xbox and PlayStation controllers. These symbols turn out to be really useful in the Keybind menu, which is where you can customize the key of almost any action. I am working on getting all actions to be rebindable, but some of them are a bit more tricky than others. Each button has a tooltip and it will show you the symbol of your current device, as well as the path of the current keybind in plain text. When you start to rebind a key, you'll have a few seconds to press a new valid key before the action gets cancelled. I say valid because I have limited the buttons to those of your current device. This means you cannot assign a keyboard key to your gamepad control scheme. The keybinds do save, and just in case you really mess them up, I have added a reset button. You can change control schemes up here and choose between auto detect, keyboard and gamepad. I have also added Gamepad Rumble, which can be turned off by unchecking this tick box. When enabled, the player will get some haptic feedback whenever the screen shakes. For example, impacts and explosions will cause the controller to shake. This here is the new game selection screen where you can see all of your save files. It will now display the version, the game mode and how many players are on the save file, unless the save file is invalid or corrupted. There is a point in the story that needs these sparking electrical wires, so I modelled and textured them and made a visual effect for the sparks. If you do happen to be standing on the wires when a spark goes off, you will take damage. I have improved the death camera as it now keeps the player on screen rather than clipping through walls like it did before. The death user interface has been neatened up and the two buttons have a tooltip added to them which describes what they do. I have added this little safety feature where if an item ever falls through the planet, it will eventually reappear at the surface. This is simply done with a trigger collider at the centre of the planet. This system also works with the player and dead astronauts. The dead astronauts are now named after the player who died, and they will store information about the cause of death. They also now respond to physics properly. Dead astronauts who are part of the story will now spawn with random items and have a chance to be wearing a helmet. Each of them will have a unique note which will contain additional backstory and information. The model and icon for the note has not been finished yet, but the functionality of reading and writing to them has been added, so if you wanted, you could leave notes for your friends. When looking down in third person mode, you can see the helmet separate from the suit, so I went back and adjusted the weight painting to fix the issue, and it looks a lot better now. If you want to see more in-game footage, you can check out the trailer on the Steam page. This is also where you can wishlist the game. Every single wishlist matters, and I'd like to say thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.